begin. I'm flying, you're walking, we're going somewhere, we're in between. Your daylight, I'm nighttime, we're twilight, we're losing steam.
Say hello to Lavender Love. Introducing the beautiful and functional new Lavender Recharge electric breast pump by Trumom. With a rechargeable battery, you can pump for 2 hours with full charge. It comes with 5 modes of stimulation with auto gears and massage and 9 modes of suction and expression. This pump comes with a Trumom Manual Conversion Kit, which is a lifesaver for any pumping mama. Now switch easily between electric or manual, as per your convenience. Introducing the most important ring after your wedding ring. Get the right feeding temperature every time. This Trumom pump comes with a revolutionary and patented temperature indicator ring. The ring will indicate the temperature of the liquid in the bottle by changing its color according to the liquid's temperature, so you know if it's too hot or too cold for the baby. The Trumom Lavender Recharge electric breast pump is light enough for you to carry anywhere, is extremely easy to use. With its anti-backflow design, you don't have to worry about milk entering the tubing, which ensures hygiene and makes the pump easy to clean. Its silicone massage pad sits comfortably on your breast. We've made our product with baby-safe materials which cannot harm your precious baby in any way. It comes with a unique LED display controller which can be conveniently carried with a lanyard, which you can conveniently wear around your neck. Our pump is extremely easy to assemble. Just connect one end of tube to the main unit, connect the other end of tube to the pump, switch on the button, and voila! The product comes with stimulation, massage, and expression modes. It's extremely easy to operate with its uniball controller. Let's demonstrate how to use it. 1. Wash your hands thoroughly before using the breast pump. 2. Make sure the breast pump is assembled correctly. 3. Sit comfortably in an upright position and leaning slightly forward. 4. Position the breast shield over your nipple correctly. 5. Turn the on-off button to turn the machine into stimulation mode. 6. Scroll the ball up or down to adjust the level of gear. 7. Short press the ball to switch between stimulation and suction mode. 8. Press on-off button once you're done. Your product includes the breast pump with rechargeable controller, a charger, a lanyard to wear around your neck, an easy-to-understand user manual, and a hygiene cover. We also include an extra nipple and cover, 5 extra valve sealing rings, and 1 valve for future use. It also includes a Trumom Manual Conversion Kit and our temperature indicator ring. Now, we all know that breast milk provides the ideal nutrition for infants. It has a nearly perfect mix of vitamins, protein, and fat. Everything your baby needs to grow. Trumom helps provide the healthy nutrition your baby deserves and the comfort that you deserve. Trumom, for a superhero called Mom.